Hello, my name is Hiban Ahmad Kafabi. So I'm your PE teacher, and you can call me Mr. Hiban or Coach. Yeah, sometimes you can call me Coach. And Mr. nggak sabar untuk ketemu kalian di lapangan. Oke, siapkan diri kalian dan bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Okay, we will learn about relay race. Yeah, relay race. And you have to know we want to zigzag, yeah, zigzag, and then dribbling, and then what else? Shooting, and it will be fun when we see at the court. Okay, so goodbye, see you next week or at the court. Bye.